My name is Ryan Husted, and I'm the Warning Coordination Meteorologist at the National Weather Service office here in Nashville, Tennessee. Today, we're going to talk about heat. Heat is just a form of energy. All objects are made of small particles that we call molecules. Molecules are always in motion, but when an object is heated, those molecules move faster, which causes the temperature of the object to rise. Take a moment to rub your hands together really fast. Do you feel the heat generated because moving your hands really fast? Heat travels in three different ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is the transfer of heat in solid objects. In this process, heat is transferred from one solid object to another solid object when they make contact with one another. Some examples of this include putting a pan on a stove to heat it up, or heating up your hands by holding a hot coffee cup. Convection is the transfer of heat by the flow of liquid or gas. When a liquid is heated, the molecules within it expand and lose density or become lighter, and thus will rise. An example of this includes heating of water. As the water is heated, the molecules that make up the water expand, lose density, and rise. Finally, radiation is the transfer of heat between objects that are not in contact with each other. Have you ever been able to feel the heat coming off of a fire even though you're not touching it? That's radiation heating. Another example of this is the Earth being heated by the sun. It's this heating from the sun that is the reason for weather on Earth. Except for the Earth is not heated equally. Our Earth is tilted on an axis, and as the planet rotates around the sun, some parts of the Earth are heated more than other parts. The Earth is always trying to reach a state of equilibrium, or a place where everything is the same. To achieve this, warm air near the equator is sent towards the poles, while cold air near the poles is sent towards the equator. The Earth will never achieve this state of equilibrium, but this difference in heating will always cause the atmosphere to move, and we will always get weather because of it. Sometimes, especially in the summer months, the sun's heat can become dangerous. Extreme heat is defined as temperatures that are well above normal for this time of year. Depending on where you live, temperatures that can exceed 90, 95, or 100 degrees can start to become dangerous. When this happens, meteorologists at the National Weather Service will issue heat-related products that can be classified as either watches or warnings. An excessive heat watch means that it's time to get prepared. Watches are issued when conditions are becoming increasingly favorable for excessive heat in the next 24 to 72 hours. But there may still be some uncertainty in temperatures or timing. An excessive heat warning, on the other hand, means that it's time to take action. Warnings are typically issued 12 to 24 hours from the onset of dangerous temperatures. Now is the time to take necessary precautionary actions so you don't become a victim of heat illness. Extreme heat affects everyone. During a heat wave, try to limit your time outdoors. Seek shelter in an air-conditioned home or building. If you can, avoid activities during the midday heat, as this is when it is hottest. Stay hydrated. Even if you don't feel thirsty, drink plenty of water to ensure you stay hydrated, especially if you're outdoors. We hope that you enjoyed this educational video on heat. Thank you for joining us.